You said you have a dry cough? Oh, I got you. Let's make an infusion. Get your herbs ready. We're going to start off with 1 teaspoon marshmallow root, 1 teaspoon of mullein leaf, and 1 teaspoon of elderberry. We're going to add this to a cold press. If you don't have one, a jar will do. Go ahead and pour you some hot filtered water. We're going to let this steep for 2 hours. See, that wasn't hard. You can add you some honey or some lemon and go ahead and sip that and get rid of that cough. Enjoy.